Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Last class we discussed the basic concepts of trigonometric functions. That is, we consider a right angle triangle, correct? And we can represent this one as ABC, and this angle is 90 degree, correct? And this is an angle C, theta, and angle the opposite we call it as opposite side, and this is base, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, last class we discussed this one. Next, we know that already we defined sin theta is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Correct? Cos theta, base by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite by base. Correct. Next, cosec theta, 1 by sin theta. Correct. Sec theta, 1 by cos theta. Cot theta, 1 by tan theta. Okay, last class we discussed this one. And also, we know that sin theta into cosec theta 1, cos theta into sec theta 1, cot theta tan theta 1. Already we proved. Please revise that one. Next, after knowing this, now today we will take geometrical concepts of trigonometric functions. For that, we consider 2D geometry, that is, we will take x-axis as well as y-axis, xo, x dash, yo, y dash, okay, and o as the origin. Next, consider a circle from this two-dimensional geometry. Okay. Next, take any point P of x comma y on the circle. Next, join OP, draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. Correct. And this angle we represent theta. This angle we represent theta. Naturally, angle OMP forms 90 degree. Means which angle forms here? Right angle triangle. If right angle triangle forms, means actually we can define trigonometric function. Correct? This angle theta and this theta, this base OM, we say that it is a base. Correct? And this angle theta, theta the opposite side, PM, this is called as opposite side. Okay, and this is OP, largest side. Okay, and this one we call it as what? Hypotenuse. Correct. And see, OM is considered. OM lies on the x-axis, therefore this distance is x. PM lies on parallel to which axis? Y-axis. Therefore this distance is y. And next OP nothing but radius of the circle. Therefore we can represent this one as r. You do understand? Okay. Next, as we know, the definition of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, everything we are applying here. We know that sin theta means what it is? Opposite by hypotenuse. Is it okay? Sin theta already we defined. What it is? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. But our opposite side, see, our opposite side is what? PM. Right? PM by what? Hypotenuse. OP. PM by OP. PM. The PM represent what? OP represent R, therefore we can write it is Y by R. Y by R. Next, cos theta. Cos theta. As we know that cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Base is what here? OM. Hypotenuse OP. Correct? OM is nothing but X. OP nothing but R. X by R. Okay. Next, tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta, we know the definition what it is? Opposite by base. Opposite by base. What is our opposite side? PM. Base OM. PM nothing but Y by X. Did you understand? In this way we can define in geometrical concept by using the circle. Okay. Geometrically ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2D geometry ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. X axis y axis ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. P ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ OP ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಡ್ರಾಪ್ PM perpendicular to X axis ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಆಂಗಲ್ OMP ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಆಂಗಲ್ XOP ಆಂಗಲ್ XOP ಏನು ತಗೋರಿ ನೀವು ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ. ಹೌದಾ? ಆಂಗಲ್ OMP ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. and angle XOP ಏನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಥೀಟಾ. XOP ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೋತೇವಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ OM ಬೇಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂತ PM ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದೇ PM ಆಂಗಲ್ಗೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಐತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ OP ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ OM ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ OM ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ X ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು X ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಅನಾಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. PM ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಐತಿ? Y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಇದೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು Y ಅಂತೀವಿ. OP ಏನು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ R. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಜನರಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಜನರಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? PM by OP. ಹೌದಾ? PM ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? PM ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, OP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? R. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ geometrically sin theta we represent Y by R. In XY plane the definition of sin theta is what? Y by R. Next, cos theta. Cos theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು OM, ಇದು OP. OM ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? X. OP ಅಂದ್ರೆ R. X by R ಅಂದರೆ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನಾಗ cos theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? X by R. ಇನ್ 2D ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ X by R. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ tan theta ಜನರಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬೈ ಬೇಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಏನದ? PM. ಬೇಸ್ ಏನದ? OM. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಾಕಿ PM by OM. PM ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Y. OM ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? X. ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan theta ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ Y by X. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ Y by R, cos theta X by R, tan theta 1 by X. Once we know sin cos tan, we can write cosec sec as well as cot. Correct? Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, that is 1 by sin theta definition already we defined Y by R. Reciprocal means we get reverse form R by. Next, sec theta is 1 by cos theta. 1 divided by X by R, that is R by X is sec theta. Okay, next cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Okay, and this is 1 by what? Y by X, means it is X by Y. Okay, This is how we can represent geometrical concept of trigonometric functions. Okay, remember that. What? Sin theta y by r, cos theta x by r, tan theta y by x, cosec theta r by y, sec theta r by x, cot theta x by y. Better please write down in separate chart. Every day you have to practice so that you can easily remember. This is how we can represent geometrical concept of trigonometric functions in two-dimensional geometry in xy plane. Okay.